Hey guys, so sticking with the Alcantara interior theme, I decided to purchase a ZL1 Alcantara dash trim. Here it is. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so let's remove the display to get to the bolts that's right behind it. I already unscrewed them, so put a little towel here not to scratch it. Okay. Let's remove this over here. Alright. Should pop right out. Let's careful, get in there. Feels a little scary at first, but it's actually not too bad. And the whole unit comes right out. Okay, now let's remove the vent. All right, so what you will notice right here, there's little clips. Just gotta push on them and the vent should come right out. All right, and one more. All right, here we go. Here's the stock one. Let's get it out of the way. So here's the Alcantara one. Let's put it right back in. All right, so make sure you use the guides that are right here. Push it right in, and it snaps right back. Okay. Now, there's 4 clips on each side, so I just shoop up right back. All right, looks really nice, feels great. All right, 7mm bolt. Goes right back in. Now let's put the radio back in. Okay. Makes it a little easier to guide it inside so you don't lose it. Okay, one's in. And here's the second one. Let's tighten it up a little bit. One. And there's 2. And the trim's back in. And that's the install of Alcantara ZL1 dash trim. Thanks for watching. See you next time.